Hi, I'm Saif, a senior UI/UX designer who transforms complex business ideas into the user experiences that people actually love using. Over the past 5 years, I have completed 25 plus projects with 100% client satisfaction, specializing in startup and SaaS product designing. I have had the privilege of working with everything from fintech platforms to the community apps that connects thousands of users. What sets me apart? I don't just make things look pretty, I design for the results. Whether it's a golf community platforms that increase the user engagement by 40% or mobile apps that streamline complex workflows, I focus on creating experiences that solves real problems and drives business growth. I am a Figma expert with Google UX Professional certification, and I bring complete toolkit like user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. But more importantly, I bring a startup mindset. I move fast, I iterate quickly, and I always keep your business goals front and center. My portfolio spans diverse industries like finance apps, task management platform, food delivery system, and even specialized apps for the BJJ communities. This variety has taught me great design is not one size fits all. It's all about understanding your user and your business. Here is what you can expect: a clear communication, rapid turnaround, and designs that don't only look professional but actually they perform. I believe that best designs are invisible to the users but invaluable to the businesses. So, are you ready to transform your vision into reality? Let's chat about your project and create something together.